Hey everybody, and welcome back. So we are on the corner of Brilliance and Gerald Ford in Rancho Mirage, and directly behind me, Cotino, story living by Disney community. Walt Disney lived in Palm Springs. It said that he actually thought about part of Palm Springs, I've seen it documented on many videos, as an area that is a possibility for Disneyland. Now, Cotino is going to be an area, if you haven't heard, and directly behind me you can see the guard station and the models. We're going to go inside and look. A living community, as well as a hotel, and I believe short-term vacation rentals, part of the DVC, the Disney Vacation Club as well. They've definitely got the perfect Disney landscaping done already, all the way around, and we'll talk about what is actually around this area. Here's the guard station. I don't know if this will continue to be the main entrance. I gotta figure it's not gonna be, just for the layout of the land around here. But so you know, we got Mount San Jacinto, Sunnylands over there in the distance, the highway back over to Temecula, and Marriott Shadow Ridge in Monterey over this way. So that kind of gives you an overlay of just where it is right now. It's a lot cloudier today than it has been, but you can see in the distance, this is Radiance Drive on Brilliance, some of the names, but you can see the buildings are going up, in fact. What a view. So yeah, this will be a living community, and it'll also be a vacation spot as well. We're gonna go inside. I'm already getting eyed out by the sales guys, so let's go see what they have to offer. Just to give a quick overview, this is the spot. So they've given us free reign of the tour home. Hello. You got the, yes, that's the garage. And so this would be your living space and your kitchen. Definitely have a lot of people here. Nice countertops. Up-to-date appliances. And plenty of Mickey. There's little Mickey things all around here. Gas stoves. In California? How dare you, right, Mickey? Very nice. And a couple Pure Life waters. But this countertop alone, I don't know if I care about this so much. It looks kind of commercialized. It's like the long dining table. That's a lot of people. That's a lot of, I think, a lot of misused space. For a large TV. I saw the 100-inch TV yesterday at Costco. Put that up over there. Okay, so I believe we're walking into the master right now. And we are. Here's the master bath. Oh, now the closet I do like, and I know my wife likes the closet too. This is great. You have this sort of shower. That is kind of strange to me. You have this shower, and then you have your toilet, but you don't have a bath. I would think that you'd have a bath in here for sure. The open air filling is great. This is nice. This, to me, is very small. Very small for a bedroom. The hallway, I feel, is, maybe it's these chairs crowding it a bit. But you do have room, and I don't believe I can get outside. Have a nice little pool. Nice chilling area if you want to chill. Maybe this is, I don't know, this is just so strange to me that this would be the master bedroom. All in all, I could see myself living here, that is for sure. But the price tag, I love this picture, it's a great photo. But the price tag so far, what's in this closet? Small closet. Is a little bit up there. Nice little fountain and fire pit outside, huh? So this would be the 55 and up one. Okay, so this is 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, she said. Wow, this is great. I like this a lot better. Nice fireplace. Yeah, this is... Hey, and right off to the left when you walk in, look at this, a little office space. Nice kitchen in here. There is something really cool on this one that she just told me about that we're going to look at when we get upstairs. So the last one was just all downstairs. This is upstairs and downstairs. Gas fireplace. I like the fridge. And it looks like they have a little pantry over here to the side. More waters. And that nice wood tone. The artwork in here is great too. So it's kind of strange to me that they have a door to this little pantry. And little is the key word here. Lots of lamps up there. You probably could do one with the same amount of lighting. And for the Floridians, you have a golden gator head. If you want to look, Cotino, you can scan. So here we are in the first downstairs bathroom, and it's got the floating sink, and I like that sink. Almost has like a copper feel to it. Gonna go upstairs. We're done here. Gonna go look in the downstairs bedroom. Another walk-in closet. Now this walk-in closet, whoa, this goes all the way back. Oh, geez. Climb down here. Lots of storage. Ow! Careful, watch your head. It's low. Watch your head for sure. As you might have heard, my wife found out that it's low. Hello. It's a low level. So they're real big on this shower. Oh, there's a bench in here too with the rainfall shower head. Take a peek outside at your swimming pool, a little just cooling off pool for the desert. And the restroom, and then here's this master bedroom. If this is the master, I got to figure it is. A little small as well, but you got a small little spa. But I mean, how much do you need? You're just cooling off, taking a dip. Yeah. And then directly from your master bedroom, you have your grill. So that's interesting to say the least. And this is another great, I think it's a painting that they have. Got these entwined snakes. And we're going to head upstairs now and see what they have going. Okay, so we've made our way upstairs, and this is the view. Got something to show you guys outside, too, on this. That's the next home builder next door. Those models are yet to be open. This is the Shea home. Oh, okay, I do like this as well. You have a big living area upstairs. And we're going to go outside and look in a second at that. And there's a rhino in the house right in front of me. What is this? No kidding. This is quite... Okay, so you got the upstairs bed and the lower bed. But mind you, this is a 55 plus house. So... Yeah, I guess you can have somebody climb up there, or that's... I mean, it's fun. Old Adventureland poster in here. Once again, watch your head again underneath here. Here's the Enchanted Tiki Room on this side, and a copy of Indiana Jones Handbook. And a package too. Oh, that's cool. Professor Indiana Jones, Barnett College, Hamilton Hall, Grove Avenue. Wow. Disney once again does it. And I hate snakes. Here's the closet area. And I really like this style. I like the Adventureland style of how they did this. I like the tub. This tub is a lot better. It's big. It's big and sunken and wide. I really dig this room. I do. I don't know why, but this is cool. You get in a fight with your husband or wife, and then you climb up there, and then you can watch them all night. Another bathroom room. And I think we have some company. So there's, oh, and off to the side up here, you have a little wet bar. So just to show you guys, look at this. Out in the distance, there's the lake. It's being filled in right now. That's cool. So that's where the Crystal Lake's going to be. That is so neat to see it at this stage. Where's Shadow Ridge? Oh, it's way over there. Okay, so that's Monterey. We have this nice little balcony. And that's where you're just kind of hanging out if you're down there and your solar panel right here. So cool, and that's going to be the main center. I wonder if we can even drive over there. So we're now in our third house, our third and final home that they have right now. This is not 55 and older. That's an interesting sink. It's 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath. So this would be like a family living home. And it looked, unless it goes deep in, this house does go way, way back. 1-car garage, it looked like, but check on that. The storage space in here. So these are the Shea homes too, just so you know. And like I said, there's 3 builders. I don't have the names of the other builders right now. Okay, that's the first bedroom. Right when you walk in. As we make our way, this is the second bedroom. The rooms, I'm going to be honest with you guys, seem a little bit small. I mean, if it was an apartment, I wonder how many square feet this is. It's not very many. This one's got a nice shower in it. Oh, and they all have these really cool little pools, and we'll go check that out. It looks from the living area, and you can see what it's doing. Lots of light in all these places. I'm everywhere. Okay, make our way in here. Well, okay, so the living room in this place looks huge. Oh, the kitchen. Now this is something. High ceilings. Connected, and then you have your pool in the back. Nice little lounge area. All of them have the really small pools, and I think that's kind of a cool thing out here because, I mean, unless you have kids that want to swim, or if you're feeling like doing laps, it's not going to happen here. This one has a larger pantry, and they all have these really, really huge solid granite countertops. That's a interesting little drawer. All right, so now we're going to go to the other half of the house, and that's what I'm saying. It's skinny, but it's long. Finally, a master bedroom. Look at these chairs. And on that side, sliding glass door. This is a good-sized master bedroom. Finally, out of all the houses, this is the only one that's really got one in a little fountain area. Separate yourself from everyone else. And we'll walk back in here. I think it's cool that they're filling that lake up already, and it'll be done by the end of the month, or not the end of the month, not this month at least, maybe next month. You got your bathroom sectioned off. Got a nice countertop. If you're going to have all this space, why not have 2 sinks? Maybe a better mirror, maybe that'll change. You know, your tub right here. And they all have these huge showers, like you're gonna hang out in there with your buddies or something. But yeah, they could have done 2 sinks. There's like little things about everyone where, you know, you'd want to change. This is interesting, a makeup room. I'm sure a lot of ladies would like that. And this closet is really nice. A little skinny, but it goes in pretty deep. Lots of extras around here too. Lots of shelving. Okay. Look at that. So that's the master. They did. Oh, they did. These are weird chairs too. Very cool. I do appreciate them giving us a little tour. And it's free, so come on down. I mean, we haven't really been hit with a hard sales pitch yet. COVID. They all have those nice fireplaces in here. Wet bar style. So as I was complaining about the sinks and the one mirror and brought my wife over to complain to her about it, she pointed out this to me to turn this way. I guess that's the other sink that I did not see for whatever reason. So 1 sink, 2 sinks. 1 sink, 2 sinks. Okay, so it does have 2 sinks. I was wrong. I apologize. All right, that's kind of cool now. Now I like it. Well, the mouse is in the desert, that is for sure. Really enjoyed the little tour that they had. They were telling me inside within the next month, beginning of next year, they'll have the 2, maybe just 1, but possibly 2 of the other builders that are building out here. Their model should be open too. To be able to go on a verified inside as well, you have to be registered. Just an email. Here's a little card shack with nobody in it. And back on Gerald Ford. But with that being said, yeah, you have to be just an email, and they're ready for you. It's really cool to just talk to them and kind of find out what Disney has planned for this area. It's happening. It's going to happen, that's for sure. With that being said, as always, I appreciate you watching this video. Cotino is the name of Storybook Living by Disney. Right next door, there's houses. The Versailles neighborhood, Marriott Shadow Ridge, goes around down to Frank Sinatra Boulevard. That goes to Frank Sinatra's house. And also the Annenberg estate, where the presidents stay, the current presidents stay. I don't think Trump stayed there, but I know Bush, Nixon, Obama, Ford, all of those presidents have been there. Another cool place that's free to go to too. So if you come to Cotino, go to Sunnylands. It's free, and they always have cool exhibits. Really nice landscape yards for Palm Desert area. So if you have any questions for me that maybe I could answer, leave a message. I'll get back to you. Please like this video if you like this video. Consider subscribing, and as always, see you next time. Following the little cactus around here. Mickey's coming to the desert. One more thing, you ever wonder how to get your cacti to stand up straight? The winds out here get pretty bad. You got to have a board back here. I was thinking to myself too. I said, self, what would Walt think? And the fact that Walt lived over in Palm Springs, and he was one of his favorite places besides going on the trails and the horsebacks and into the mountains and having the chili cook-offs and stuff like that was the Smoke Tree Ranch. And he was over there quite a bit. Another person that loved Smoke Tree was Hauser, you guessed it. But Walt, if you look on his ties, he has the Smoke Tree, what is it, the tag on, I can't think of it, for his ties. His tie tag was the Smoke Tree symbol, which was cool. And he actually sold his house out here to get money for Disneyland, like I was saying. And now it's all coming back. It's really cool. It's really cool that Disney might be doing something. You know, I'm sure they're going to be eco-friendly to the desert. And I'm excited to see what they have coming in the near future. So, goodbye.